Well, there's the little bridge that goes to my house. That whole field is flooded. Wow. I guess I'll take a different way. The last time that there was water over that bridge, it's about 98 or 9. This is in Coralville, Pennsylvania. The road that I'm on had a big mudslide. Holy fuck. That's a field. Was a field. Wow. Well, I'm not going on this road either. Oh, better put my 4-wheels on. Wow. This road usually goes around the corner there. That's a little bridge going to that farm. Usually about where that pole is, that's where the creek is. It's so high, now it's right to the road. Wow.